Now, if you look at the life of Saint Francis of Assisi, he was a saint of ecology and environment. Similarly, we have the modern saint of ecology and environment. I would say Father Bolmex. And two priests in the modern times stand out. That is Father Bismarck, who was my good friend, and Father Bolmex, who was also our friend, brother in environmental activism. And incidentally, both their names begin with the letter B. And Father Bolmex was passionately in love with Mother Goa, as we all are. And the scumbags that are politicians, that are rotten, one of each, so many activists are dying, like Ketan Bhatikar passed away, and it's creating a vacuum. So Father Bolmex's passing away has created a vacuum. His message is environmental, that love your mother Goa with full heart. He was a PhD in mangroves. He used to love mangroves, he used to love birds, animals, plants. He was an expert on in botany. He was a botanist and a social worker. The turnout that you see today, that itself shows that he has touched so many lives. Now, we have all come in to express our grief, and I wanted to see him, and we were in touch for many years, and we were together against that Bhutani project. We were in Save Madai movement together. We were in so many agitations. The old Goa anti-bungalow agitation. We were all together. Recently, he gave me a message some 5 days back. He wanted me to comment on some issue that was happening. So Father Bolmex and I were close, and we were in the environmental movement. So for us, he has left a rich legacy. I want to tell the priests, there are so many priests in Goa. They give sermons. But Father Bolmax's sermons were different. If you listen to his last sermon, he's talking about the cockroaches. He used to connect every sermon in a very practical, and he used to connect it with Goa. He used to connect it with Mother Goa. He used to connect it with politicians and the politics that is happening, which is rotten, which is looting. The politicians are finishing our hills. He was affected by it. Politicians are finishing our trees. The politicians are putting bungalows everywhere. The big villas, the Loda project, which is happening there, which is going to finish Goa in Karapur, which is going to change the demographic profile of Goa. So Bolmex was affected by this. His soul was restless, and it is restless. I only hope that from heaven he will bless us to redeem Goa, to clear Goa of these scumbag politicians, of these dirty politicians who are looting Goa, who are dirty people, who are finishing our mother Goa, who have no love for Goa. Okay, Father Bolmex had huge love for Goa, and that is his legacy, that we should continue our fight for Goa's environment and see that our natural and environmental heritage is saved, and I want that all the priests in Goa should follow him, to follow the legacy of Father Bolmex, and carry forward in life.